Right, we're going to now fit a bulb in a car in situ. This is a Renault Clio 2013. As I was saying earlier, there's different covers to take off for different lights. So this car's got one here for the indicator, this one here is for the side lights, and the one there looks like it's for the headlights. So put your lights on, see which light's not working and see which cover goes for that bulb. Okay, this is the headlight. Take this cover off. I don't know whether you can see in the back there. There's 2 pins on that bulb. That's a H7 with a 2-pin plug. So I'm going to see if I can get it off. Okay, that plug's off. That's the H7. I've got to try and get the bulb. What I would generally do is get a small mirror, and it'll help you look into the back of the headlight because you can't physically get your head round to see what they look like. I've got a couple of mirrors here. This one you can buy, about £4 or £5, and you can just tilt it and you'll be able to see in the back of the headlight a bit better. This one's just an old wing mirror off a car, so you can just hold that and you can see in the back of the headlight better. Now that bulb is actually broken when I've pulled the plug off. So we'll get it out and we'll show you what the problem's happened with that. There's a little metal clip, what I was showing earlier. Just got to find out where it is. Oh yeah, if I take the cover off you can see better. Okay. There's the little, that was the plug off the headlight. There's the spring clip. So one side, push it in and push it to the side, and this one's got double, so push it and push it to the side. Lower the clip down slowly so you don't drop it in the headlight, and bring the bulb out, and you can see what's happened to that. The bulb has, well, it's fell apart. So we're going to get a H7 bulb, which is this. The tab is at the top. It should locate in the groove. You can see what bit was missing off the bulb now. Don't touch the glass. Get the new bulb with the tab at the top. Make sure it's sitting straight, not on an angle like that. So it's got to sit in properly. Bring the gate back, push that clip on, the other side of the clip on, put the plug back in, and just slowly push the plug on, and that's that one in. Before you put everything back, I would check your light works, and then if that's okay, put all your covers back. It's important you put the covers back because you can get water inside the headlight or dirt, and you don't want water in your light. Okay, sometimes you might have to take things off, some components. You might have to, like, sometimes you can take these necks out the way, they'll just twist and pull off. Sometimes there'll be an air box in the way, like for example on that side. You've got a fuse box here, but this headlight is quite accessible. It's quite good. Generally, you can't get at things as easy as this. For example, you wouldn't be able to see the bulb because it'd be in the back, and it doesn't have a side cover like this car's got.